Good day everyone, you're welcome to this video. To my new and old subscribers, you're welcome to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create this kind of zoom effect. Right, you've been seeing this and you don't know how to achieve this using your CapCut. In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to achieve this. It is very simple. So without wasting much of our time, please, if you are visiting this channel for the very first time, please click on the subscribe button if you find this video helpful, and don't forget to drop your comment and give me thumbs up. So without wasting much of our time, let's head over to CapCut. So here on CapCut, all you just need to do is to go over to new project and add your video. So we are going to be using this video as an example. Now this is our video, right? As you can see, this video is still based on I place my phone on a tripod, so that is why the video is still like this. Now you might decide to add camera movement to your video. Alright, you might decide to add camera movement to your video. You want your video to move. So the simplest way to achieve this is to use what we call keyframe. Alright, it's to use what we call keyframe. Now this work of this keyframe is to just change the original state of something. Maybe you want to add an effect, you want to add a transition, you want to add a slow motion, you want to add different kind of effects. We use keyframe. Alright, we use keyframe. So now we are going to be using keyframe to create this kind of animation. It's just like a movement animation. Alright, you don't want your video to be stable. So you just locate that point that you want to apply that movement effect, which is the zoom effect. Now you're going to tap on that place, and this is the keyframe here. Now select the keyframe. Now move it forward to any point. Now you can now use your two fingers to zoom the video. Can you see? So let me move it like this. So you're going to have it like this. Hey, please don't skip this video. I brought a good news for you. In this course, can you see that movement? So this is how to add keyframe. Now if you want it to go back to the original state, alright, now you're going to select another keyframe. Maybe you want it to be like this for some certain time. Now let's assume you want it to, this is where the keyframe ends, right? So I want it to be like this for some seconds. So I'm going to come over here, I'm going to tap on keyframe again. Now move it forward. I want it to go back to its original state. So I'm going to, so here, this is where you're going to determine maybe you want it to be fast or you want it to be slow. If you want it to be fast, you make sure that this line you are seeing here is very close to this keyframe, and you just zoom it back like this. That is, you want it to be fast. So let's have it. I'm going to show you step by step. Can you see that it's very fast? Can you see that it's very fast? Now there is a situation whereby you feel like you don't want this effect. As you can see that it is obvious that you step by step zoom back, right? Okay, now let's assume you just want it to just go back like that without zooming at all. Now this is what you're going to do. Now this is it. This is what you're going to do. What you're going to do is you just you see here, you're just going to split it, and immediately you split it, you see this other video, the video has been splitted into two. You're going to select this and just reduce this. You see that animation, the way it's animated back, you see that it will just go back immediately. I'm going to show you step by step on how. Can you see? I'm going to show you step by step. So this is how to apply your zoom effect using your CapCut. I believe this tutorial is well simplified. If you just try it on your video, you will see that your video is going to be amazing. Don't forget to share this video to as many groups as possible. Click on the post notification bell if you are yet to do that right now, so that whenever I drop an amazing video like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. Don't forget, share, subscribe, drop your comments. You can, if you have any video that you want me to do in my next video, please drop it in my comment section. Please, you need to share this video because we need to grow on this channel. I believe I'm giving out value. Thank you for your time. I will see you in my next video.